So here at Loughborough University, we're leading the way with virtual reality technology and other technologies as well that students are going to need for their future careers. This is the first module at this scale that has lent out headsets to students for a whole semester. We have 40 students, we have 40 VR headsets, and we hear the DigiLabs in particular that we have across campus in order for the students to have just these amazing new experiences. So the module that I've been teaching is called Interaction Design for Immersive Futures, and the 40 students that are on this module are all learning about how to design immersive experiences, like a future car showroom or a future estate agent, training applications in healthcare. All sort of situations in the real world might be dangerous, impossible, counterproductive or expensive. They can use the technology in order to practice and to fail safely in their experience.
For us, the challenge was how to use VR to train young dentists to help them treat people with dental anxiety. VR can kind of help them literally step into their shoes and feel what the patient is feeling. So that's what we're trying to do right now.
At first it was fun because we get to play the maze game and we also get to be in the Land of Loughborough. So we get to learn the fun part, then after that we get to learn the technical part, which is actually a quite nice balance for this model. It's the first of the kind to experience here. With all the space, it's really an open space, so you really feel free to do whatever you want. There's no restriction, that's really great.
Virtual reality is really important as a supporting tool for students' learning experience. But it is also really important that we have in-person experiences, that we know each other in the real world, and then we can draw on the fundamental affordances of virtual reality to be able to add more to that experience. And so we can then start to have new forms of experience that just wouldn't be possible. So it's a supporting tool, it's complementary to our in-person experiences. There's no part of higher education where this technology isn't relevant.